7, 7, 8, 9. Let's continue the Chen 新架一路 the 69 posture 六风四臂。六风四臂 appear on 6 times in the 新架 and also 老架。But there are always some small variations between the connect the jointing small movements. Like from CT8, 岩手红拳 then come to 六风四臂 let me finish it. Total 12 small movements. Okay. After 岩手红拳 1, 1, then become fist 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 small movements. Once it comes to this one, it's same as previous one. It's called 六风四臂. Be careful, the 六风四臂 is go down. 双推手 is shoulder level. This one is go down. There's difference. Go down, then squeeze. Go down, squeeze. It's a 六风四臂. Okay, let me do 4 times in different angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The step go backwards, and this one is a shoulder shaking, hit, then squeeze. This way, then squeeze. Squeeze body, also body sinking down, not only body sinking down. Okay, this direction. 岩手红拳 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. Because just now this one I count twice. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just now as this one I count twice. 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3. 3 is 2 fists facing each other. 3, 4. Go up. 5. Go down. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 六风四臂. After 六风四臂 is 单边. The 单边 is exactly the same. Total 13 small movements. See you in 单边.